Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at an Olympiad problem. Given, solve root of 9x minus 2 plus cubed root of 7x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 3. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. More than 500 Olympiad problems are uploaded. I will go through them. So here, how to solve this problem? So here, first of all, here square root is given, cube root is given, without root the value is given. So first of all, you have to split this value into two parts. That is the logic here. So root of 9x minus 2 plus cube root of 7x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to, here I am writing it as x plus 2 plus 1 now. So the splitting of the value of 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 are writing like this. Now here sending one term to that side, sending this term to that side, what will get cube root of 7x square plus 2x minus 5 minus of x plus 1 sending x and 1 to that side. So here the remaining part will be x plus 2 minus root of 9x minus 2. So this is the dividing it into two parts. So here I am taking first RHS. RHS I am taking x plus 2 minus root of 9x minus 2. So here I am going to rationalize it, x plus 2 plus root of 9x minus 2 into x plus 2 plus root of 9x minus 2. Here you will get x plus 2 whole square minus root of 9x minus 2 whole square divided by x plus 2 plus root of 9x minus 2. So in the numerator we'll get x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 9x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 plus root of 9x minus 2. Now if you solve this, you will get x square minus 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into x plus 2 plus 9x minus 2. So this is RHS. If you take LHS, cube root of 7x square plus 2x minus 5. This one also I am writing cube root of x plus 1 whole cube. So here we are having two values. So here if you take a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is the RF. With this value you have to multiply the numerator and denominator. So here cube root of 7x square plus 2x minus 5 minus cube root of x plus 1 whole cube into, that will write afterwards. First I am writing the denominator. So cube root of 7x square plus 2x plus minus 5 whole square plus cube root of 7x square plus 2x minus 5 into x plus 1 plus cube root of x plus 1 whole square. This is the denominator. The same value you will get in numerator also. Here place won't be sufficient maybe. So cube root of, okay just I am writing 7x square plus 2x minus 5 whole square plus cube root of, these two terms will get here. So 7x square plus 2x minus 5 into x plus 1, here you will get cube root of x plus 1 whole square. Then in the numerator you will get a cube plus b cube, 7x square plus 2x minus 5 minus x plus 1 whole cube by the denominator. I am not writing total, the place is not sufficient. So here in the numerator will get 7x square plus 2x minus 5 plus minus of x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by the denominator will get. So here you will get in the numerator minus x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 6 by denominator. Now here both are equal, or I will write both the terms one side. So here I am writing both the terms one side. So here minus, first I will write this one, x square minus 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into plus 9x minus 2 plus minus x cube. Sorry, here this is minus. Okay, minus plus minus will get x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 6 by the denominator is equal to 0. Now here this is the logic in this problem. I am taking x square minus 5x plus 6 common. Here I am getting 1 by x plus 2 into x plus 2 plus root of 9x minus 2. Here plus we are getting x plus 1 now. If you divide this with that, you will get x plus 1 now. X plus 1 by cube root of 7x square plus 2x minus 5 plus cube root of 7x square plus 2x minus 5 into x plus 1 plus cube root of x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Now x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, or the second part is equal to 0. But this value is greater than 0. Here numerator are having 1 plus x, here 1 is there. The value is greater than 0. Therefore x square minus 5x plus 6 must be equal to 0. So here you'll get x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. X minus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to 3 are 2. So therefore the values of x equal to 3 are 2. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.